In today's 90-second presentation skills class, I want to talk about mindset because it's really important to work on the inner work, not just the outer work of presenting and performing. And very often we have these unsupportive thoughts or internal conversation and dialogue that is not working to improve our performance, but actually sabotaging ourselves and getting us in our heads thinking that we're going to mess up, we're going to forget what we're going to say, people aren't going to like it, all the things that you can start thinking that are going to take you away from actually just being in the moment, enjoying your presentation experience and being able to deliver to the best of your ability. Because the whole time that you're stuck up here mulling things over, you're not fully present. So to get into the moment, start giving yourself positive self-talk, positive encouragement. Think of some declarations or affirmations that you can give to yourself before you present that are going to turn up your energy and help you feel good about yourself and start to overwrite the negative self-talk that's been going on. This is going to vastly improve your experience and give yourself permission to let all of that go whilst you're performing and fully be there for your audience, because it's about them, it's not about you, as you will hear many times from presentation skills experts. Please look out for more videos coming up around this. We're going to have some more information and content coming out around specifically mindset for presenting very soon, articles and videos, etc. Please make sure you're following me on LinkedIn or YouTube, wherever you're watching this video, and I'll see you soon.